I think that he is maybe one of the most talented actors we have in our country, and for whatever reason, I don't think he has been given as much credit as he deserves within Indian cinema and whatever commercial aspect.
अगर मैं यहाँ से इंडस्ट्री अगर जस्ट हाइपोथेटिकली अगर मैं छोड़ता भी हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं जीवन में कुछ कर पाया हूँ और ये सब कुछ इस फिल्म के और यहाँ पहुँचने की वजह से हुआ.
It would be wrong to not first credit Mr. Karan Johar.
There was no real requirement. It's probably put him in more trouble than it has rewarded him. But he will continue to do so because
He loves the red carpet.
That is true.
Sorry,
Karan Johar loves a good fashion moment. That is not a secret at
oh,
all.
Ravi, bitch, and now this they'll cut and they'll put. He didn't say you're joking and you didn't.
Of course I'm joking.
Yeah.
जिंदगी खराब हो गई मेरी टीचर बन के तो ना लाइफ में. उफ. You guys. Welcome to TIFF.
That's the jolliest teacher I've had. Happiest to see us.
This is a facade.
Oh
I'm
no.
so
क्या
angry
सीखने
all the
वाले हैं
time.
हम?
Why are you angry?
I'm just angry at the state of
I
affairs.
think it's because you're seeing some of these movies that you don't want to see. It's like enraging you.
तुम्हें किसने बताया?
Jay and I have an understanding.
Yeah.
We chat.
We understand each other.
We chat. Ishan, Janvi, Vishal, welcome to Toronto, you guys. How exciting! A big, another international big film festival.
Super
Very
excited.
happy. बहुत
I'm
बहुत
very
खुश है.
excited. You're very
हाँ, very
No,
happy.
we are.
We're tired but we're very excited.
So, what is the jet lag situation right now, Ishan? When did you guys arrive?
Janvi thinks it's the afternoon. Vishal doesn't have an opinion. And मुझे लगता है हम सुबह को आए थे. लेकिन अब शाम हो रही है कि अगला दिन हो रहा है कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा.
घंटे कितने हुए लैंड किए हुए?
5.
5 नहीं ज़्यादा 7
7.
7 8.
और
घंटे.
इन 7 घंटों में आप लोगों को घंटे hours, how many hours? और इन 7 घंटों में आपको होटल लेके गए हैं, तैयार कराया, मेकअप कराया, कपड़े कराए हैं.
मैं जिम भी गई.
हीरोइन, इसलिए मैं हीरोइन नहीं बनी लाइफ में. और इंटरव्यू कितने हो गए आज सवेरे से?
4 5
6.
ये छठवा है.
ठीक है, तो we will keep this short.
छठवा for Jetwa.
We will keep this short because we've already spoken about Homebound. We've spoken about the film. You know, I've individually spoke to all you guys and Neeraj as well. But between Can और Now, है ना? इस सब के बीच में कुछ कितने महीने गए? 2 2.5 4 महीने.
4 महीने हो
हो गए
गए.
होंगे
It
ना.
was May and now we're in September.
Now
May,
since
June, July,
Can
August, September. Yes.
at Can, all the big publications have reviewed the film already
Hmm.
and have spoken about the film in detail, in depth. A lot of international journalists. Has your perception of Homebound changed a little bit reading all these expert opinions on the film in the last 3 or 4 months? Do you see this film in a different light?
Not one bit. No. If I may take this first, I have been very proud of this film from day one, and much before it was touted as a film that is important, discovered by the audiences, you know, premiered at these prestigious festivals. I think it's a very special film just by way of the fact that we don't make films that are deeply humanistic or the way I like to say it is almost propagate a gaze of empathy. We don't make so many of those anymore. So I think I recognized it as a very rare film when I first read it. But after having experienced it with Neeraj and seeing him doubling down on everything that he said, and then finally seeing the film, I always knew it was a very special film. I'm just very glad that people are seeing it for what it is. And more than anything, I'm very glad that people are connecting to it despite their perhaps their distance from the source material or the characters. We always knew the film had a universality to it, but it's very different when you sit in an auditorium with 800 people in France, not knowing whether they will connect to these characters, their very specific problems. But when you experience something like We Were Lucky Too, you realize that these themes are very universal and therefore should be personal to all of us.
Javi, you've read any reviews that came out? Are you staying away from that stuff? I know you follow reviews.
I do, typically I do, but to be completely honest, I remember even when I saw the film for the first time, it was at the office in the edit room, and I think it was around the time that we were supposed to or due to hear back from the festival whether we were being selected or not. And I remember speaking to Neeraj sir. Of course, after seeing the film, I was a wreck and a mess, and I was just feeling all the feels. And I remember he called me and he was kind of like, we haven't heard back from them. I'm not completely sure it's going to happen. I'm sorry. And I was like, are you crazy? Like, it's not about that. The reward is, sir, that we've made this film. This is the reward. अभी हो गया. अभी जो आता है इसके साथ, इसके ऊपर वो सोने पे सुहागा. ये. So I mean, I think the reward for me was to be a part of this journey in the first place, and then to experience the film as an audience also, and then being in that auditorium in Cannes, and more than the critiquing of the film, which I'm sure and I've heard has been extremely positive and has inspired a lot of critical thinking and evoked a lot of feelings in a lot of esteemed journalists. But for me, it was being in that auditorium, like he said, and having the audience have such a emotional reaction to something that you've been a part of the process of making. And I think उससे ज़्यादा क्या अभी ये reaction देखने के बाद, एहसास करने के बाद क्या पढ़ के क्या मिल जाएगा किसी को भी. So I don't think my feelings on the film or opinions on the film have changed. If anything else, I've only come to realize how much more universal its themes
that's
are.
That's what I mean to ask. The way it's resonated with journalists, at Cannes. And Cannes is an international film festival.
Right.
So there's journalists from France, there's from America, India, and everybody's taken something or the other. People interpret the film in different ways. So has that added to your experience of the film? Reading how the film resonates?
Oh, absolutely. When you put it like that, I would say yes.
विशाल, आपको भी सेम सवाल. जब आप इतने सारे लोग लिख रहे हैं फिल्म के बारे में और सारे इंटरनेशनल जर्नलिस्ट बड़े मतलब दिग्गज पत्रकार, उनकी लिखाई पढ़ के कुछ ओपिनियन अब फिल्म के बारे में कुछ एनहांस होता है, ऐड होता है, चेंज होता है, हुआ है पिछले 4 महीने में?
एक्चुअली मेरा खुद का ही हुआ, बिकॉज हमने जब फर्स्ट टाइम फिल्म देखी थी, मैंने ईशान ने साथ में, तब हम बहुत ही अलग तरीके से देख पाए थे. मैं पर्सनली अगर सच कहूँ, बोलते हुए थोड़ा अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है, बट मैं बहुत ज़्यादा भी कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाया था, मैं समझ नहीं पाया था. देन कैन में जब मैंने फिल्म देखी, एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस हुआ. और उसके बाद क्रिटिक रिव्यू बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़े मैंने, और बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं जाना, बट कुछ लोगों ने मुझे, इंडिया में जिन लोगों ने फिल्म देखी थी, उन लोगों ने मुझे कॉल किया, और उन लोगों की बातों से समझ में आया कि उन्हें बहुत अच्छी लगी फिल्म. और दूसरी बात, मैं जिन भी लोगों को मिला, मुझे एक चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी कि हर एक लोग इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है ये फिल्म देखने के लिए, बहुत ज़्यादा. और वो लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि ऐसी क्या बात है इस फिल्म में, क्योंकि नीरज सर की मसान सबने देखी है और उन्हें पता है कि यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है. ऑल्सो एक बहुत ही बड़ा मुद्दा ये है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है, इस तरीके की फ्रेंडशिप पे फिल्म भी बहुत समय से, इतनी डेप्थ वाली फ्रेंडशिप की फिल्म मैंने तो नहीं देखी, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि बहुत समय से आई होगी.
मैस्कुलिन फ्रेंडशिप पे और कम आती है.
बहुत, हाँ. और ये वो मस्ती मजाक और एक दूसरे की टांग खिंचाई करना, सिर्फ वो वाली फिल्म की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ये जो डेप्थ है इस फिल्म की और दोस्तों की. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक बॉलीवुड का फेमस डायलॉग है ना, वो हमारी फिल्म को एक थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं दिखाता है, हमारी फ्रेंडशिप को दिखाता है. दोस्ती में नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू. तो जो रियल फ्रेंडशिप होती है,
फिल्म है भाई.
इसलिए मैंने प्यार किया.
No, कुछ होता है.
कुछ होता है.
I thought it was मैंने प्यार किया. सलमान खान से फ्रेंडशिप में नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू.
पूरी तरह से
No, ऐसा
We will fact check this later.
हाँ, तो ये हमारी दोस्ती है ना जो फिल्म में, यही बताती है. मतलब कुछ भी हो गया तो सॉरी भी नहीं बोलने का, कुछ अच्छा किया तो थैंक यू भी नहीं बोलना. ये रियल काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप होती
तो
है.
आज तक किसने ना सॉरी बोला है, मुझे ना थैंक यू बोला है. मैं अभी तक वेट.
अब जो मैंने अब तक जो बोला है उस पर रियलाइज कर रहा हूँ, रियल था कि झूठ था.
हमारा जेट लैग बहुत ही भयंकर चल रहा है
बहुत
बहुत अगर
खतरनाक,
कॉफी
बहुत
और टी
खतरनाक।
पी के भी कोई फायदा नहीं होने
कुछ
वाला
नहीं
है
होना, yes.
ईशान you don't have the time to watch any films this time also no at
No.
Cannes also you didn't have any time this time
No, I was just thinking this before we started the interview. It's a great tragedy for a cinephile.
we are watching I met Jafar Panahi by the way
Oh wow! And did he walk past us the last time we were doing the
yes
interview?
we were talking and he was walking
Yeah,
behind
he
us
went
and
right.
that is literally Jafar Panahi
Yeah.
walking by and I met him this time it was amazing but listen so you're you still your premiere is happening tomorrow it's not happened quite yet so we don't know what that experience is going to be like but take me back to that moment when you premiered at Cannes when you're on that ginormous iconic red carpet you're climbing up the stairs and you look back down and there's a sea of cameras and you get to stand there and you get to wave do you remember or is that a blur at this point
No, actually it was a team exercise for me, and what I remember of that is like all of us were together. And I don't mean to be like I don't know sound like soppy about it or like, but that's what I remember of it. I think it was the culmination of all the energies that came together to make this film, and we were representing the film, and we were representing so much more than that. I think. To dial it back to the film, characters that are largely underrepresented in our films. That's what I wrote in my post about it as well. I said representing home and homebound. So it was a feeling of pride, but it never felt like this is my moment or this is.
but it should
Of course
I
it
feel
did.
like,
It felt like a
under
full.
Neeraj's leadership
Of course, it felt like a full circle moment because, like I said, I think I grew a lot as a person of cinema through watching films at film festivals. So that was a really beautiful moment to me to be here with our own film because ये शायद एक सपना रहा होगा, एक ख्वाहिश रही होगी कि कभी जाऊँगा कांस तो अपनी फिल्म लेके जाऊंगा and similarly here now with I think tomorrow will be the biggest screening we'll have for this film there will
Yeah.
I believe there will be 1600 1700
yeah
people
and there's like
as
a whole
capacity.
reception and everyone's
So it's
gonna
beautiful. I mean,
discuss
this is the dream, right? I
Yeah.
mean, you want, and I think cinema is one of those things that still exists that brings people together for a community experience. I think it's just the best way of watching a film.
and you had to get to Cannes because of your family and Khwaja Ahmad Abbas and
Yeah.
everything and it just had to happen and
I don't know. That was a very serendipitous thing that I was sharing with all of them the night before we did our interview that I realized being there. But other than that, I think it was just it's a memory for a lifetime, and I couldn't be proud of the film that I was there
Yeah.
with. So it was for me. It was about homebound, and yeah.
Jami, for you, does it feel like it added a layer of legitimacy to your career as an actor?
इतना सोचा मैंने नहीं legitimacy, career as an actor, all of these things because like he said, I don't know if any of us made it about our individual experiences. Even when we were shooting the film, I feel like there was a collective sense of we're trying to make something that's bigger than all of us. And I know this sounds phony, but I really truly mean it. I think when we were in that auditorium and everyone saw that film and everyone reacted the way that it did, it really wasn't about हमारा काम अच्छा लगा या हमारी film अच्छी लगी. It felt like we moved people and made something that made them feel something deeply personal or perhaps inspired them to be more empathetic individuals in this world that's so caught up in finding reasons to divide communities and people. So no, I didn't feel like मैं अभी control करेगा मुझे. It wasn't like that at all. नहीं, it wasn't like that at all, and it was just honestly, I was so happy. I don't know how honest or genuine this is going to sound, but
Give it a shot.
I'm gonna go one by one with everyone involved in this film, starting with Ishan. I think that he is maybe one of the most talented actors we have in our country. And for whatever reason, I don't think he has been given as much credit as he deserves within Indian cinema and whatever commercial aspect. So to see him on that stage and to see a performance like this being witnessed and appreciated by the world, I felt like, हाँ यार अच्छे काम को eventually तो ऐसी recognition मिल ही जाती है. I don't think there was anyone who was more deserving of that recognition. Same with Vishal. He's auditioned his ass off for this film. His journey from how he started getting into this to even how he's dealing with being in all of these new scenarios and the performance that he's given. The kind of man that I've seen him turn into over the past couple of months, dealing with, you know, all of these new people, unfamiliar scenarios, but never losing sight of who he is, has made me so proud of him. And to see him on this world stage killing it, you know, he gave this interview where he started, he did wo kya Gujarati rap, folk rap kiya tha, and then he gave his little speech in front of all of these amazing dignitaries.
Charmer.
He fully is.
Charmer.
I was so thrilled.
Eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even make eye contact.
तिरछी निगाहें. and Neeraj sir, I mean, he is the most honest filmmaker in our country, hands down. And I think I spoke to you about this before. He practices what he preaches. He is just a good fucking man, and I have so much value for that. That stuff needs to be rewarded. It should be rewarded. So I was just happy to be tugged along the way, honestly, and of course excited that I got to wear pretty dresses. But really, the thrill of it was to be a part of this film, and the real thrill of it was to see so many immensely talented, deserving people get this world stage. And this story to get that world stage. And now I'm done with my
Yes,
monologue.
Janvi has given a very like sincere answer to my.
That was
Thank you. Thank you.
But do you also feel the same way, विशाल, कि मुझे वहाँ पे अपना इतने बड़े स्क्रीन पे देख के भी ये अपने काम के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं सोचा, ज़्यादा ये सोचा कि इस फिल्म के मायने क्या है, where it stands इस वक्त देश में.
नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा ऑनेस्ट बात करूँगा.
रो रहे थे, बिलख रहे थे लोग. वो
हाँ, वो तो मूविंग था. वो तो डेफिनेटली बहुत मूविंग था. बहुत सारे इमोशन उसमें मिक्स थे. अपनी फैमिली के साथ कैन में फिल्म देखना, मम्मी थी, बहुत सारे, जानवी की फैमिली थी, ईशान की फैमिली, तो वो देखना वहाँ पे, वो तो मेरे लिए बहुत मूविंग था. बट मैं ये भी ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि मेरे पर्सनली भी मैंने इस चीज़ को, जब मैंने इसको अचीवमेंट माना, मुझे एक्चुअली ऐसा लगा कि मैं इंडस्ट्री में जब मैं काम करके यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ, तो इसके बाद अगर मैं, और आई रियली होप कि मैं बहुत आगे जाऊँ, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ, बट मुझे ज़रा भी दुख नहीं होगा कि मैं इंडस्ट्री में कुछ कर नहीं पाया. और ये फीलिंग, आई एम सो ग्लैड कि भगवान ने मुझे यहाँ पहुँचाया, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो इतना मेहनत करने के बाद भी नहीं पहुँचते. 100% मुझसे ज़्यादा डिज़र्विंग, मुझसे ज़्यादा हार्डवर्किंग, और शायद इस किरदार को मुझसे शायद बेटर समझ पाते, बट मुझे चूज़ किया गया और मैं यहाँ पे पहुँच पाया. अगर मैं यहाँ से इंडस्ट्री, अगर जस्ट हाइपोथेटिकली अगर मैं छोड़ता भी हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं जीवन में कुछ कर पाया हूँ, और ये सब कुछ इस फिल्म के और यहाँ पहुँचने की वजह से हुआ. ऑनेस्टली मैं कह रहा हूँ.
आप बहुत ही फिलोसोफर किस्म के आदमी हो.
मैं, हाँ, मतलब ऐसा ही हूँ.
It's nice. It's a good, very nice. I like a man with deeper thoughts. Ishan, another person who's really put his weight behind this sort of unconventional film to take to a film festival like that is Dharma. That whole organization, and you know, props where props are due. Shazia Iqbal's film also. The whole Dharma team has stood by and brought it to fruition, brought it to movie theaters. What has that been like, to see this ginormous production house throw their full might behind this film, which is a unique film in its own way?
I think it would be wrong to not first credit Mr. Karan Johar, because I just think that, and I said this to him recently as well, that I think if all films with a big heart and an artistic endeavor and something to say had a nurturer like him, you know, that would be the dream. And I think it boils down to one thing. I think everybody who's a part of this film, duly demonstrated by my colleagues, really believes in it, really believes in the film. And I just think we need to do more things that we wholeheartedly believe in. When you speak of things like conviction, that's all it really is. And there's no facade, and there's no posturing when we talk about this film. In fact, the attempt is to try and do it due justice when we're representing it, because it's so much bigger than us. It talks about so many things that are so important. जैसे कि आपने कहा, there are so many इतने मुद्दे हैं जो ये फिल्म छेड़ती है, and there is a lot to derive from it. So when you speak of critical reviews, etc., hopefully it will spark meaningful conversation. But I think what's very special about this film is that despite all of that, and despite the fact that Neeraj also approaches it with a certain amount of academia, which comes with the feeling of responsibility, because he really believes in what he wants to talk about and he wants to do it well. It really matters to him. Despite all of that, the film has a real soul. And that was the endeavor for all of us always. It was not just about being crafty. It was, and Neeraj said this to us in those many words, that good acting and good craft is not enough for me.
Yeah.
I need you to take these characters and make them your own and live them.
Yeah.
And that itself as an experience is very rare. And I think all of us desired it. Not least of us, Janvi, who I think, if I may say so, I think I've also seen this film has been very personal for. And I think just the fact that everybody in this film, including the art assistants in this film, had some kind of feeling for it, testifies that I just think we should make films that we believe in more. And yeah, to bring it back to Karan Johar, it's because of him that this film was made. So hats off to him.
And I think it's genuinely a testament to the fact that what matters to this man is cinema and art and not just commerce, which is such a rarity in this day and age. I mean, there was no real requirement for him to put his money, his name, his backing, and his continuous, I mean, of course, most of this isn't even going to come to the forefront, but we know the amount of battles that he's fought continuously for these films. There was no real requirement. It's probably put him in more trouble than it has rewarded him, but he will continue to do so because
He loves the red carpet.
That is true.
Sorry, I
Karan Johar loves a good fashion moment. That is not a secret at
no,
all.
Ravi, bitch, and now this they'll cut and they'll put. He didn't say you're joking and you didn't.
Of course I'm joking.
Yeah, it's.
What do you mean they'll cut and they'll put?
You
You're
don't.
slotting me in that category
No,
of
not you.
journalists, huh?
The trollers. They'll cut and they'll पीछे का आगे का निकाल के कुछ भी डाल देते.
No, but he deserves the red carpet just for allowing this film to
Dude,
exist.
I now meet
He deserves
Karan
a lot
only in
more.
international locations. LA for Oscars, France for Cannes, and like if he was here, then now here in Toronto, and then New York for Tribeca. This is all he does, and he enjoys it and he deserves it, and I'm very happy for him. And I will wrap this up now in 30 seconds. You know, Sanya was here with
Yes,
her
I
film.
know. We missed each other by like.
And then she's like, अब मेरे बहुत family है Canada में, मैं अपने family से मिलने जा रही हूँ. But I asked her this question, like, are you having like whiplash right now with one fancy film where you're dancing and dressed up, and then one Anurag Kashyap film that you're
What
promoting
did she say?
simultaneously? She's like, yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
she's like, I don't know.
She'll do
what's happening.
this and she must have done that expression 10 times in the
Very
interview.
well.
Yeah.
I love her. I'm obsessed.
She's
with her.
too good.
Are you having whiplash also right now? Coming out of Param Sundari just literally like a week and a half ago, and then now
We are also having whiplash. She's made us do Bijuria also.
Yeah, and now like and back to promoting Homebound and then promoting Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi
And
Kumari
shooting
simultaneously.
Peddi in the middle of this. Where I was reciting my Telugu dialogues on. In fact, I was shooting Peddi when I was shooting for Homebound also.
So are you like right now having whiplash from like one thing to the other?
I don't know what
Cutting
I'm
it out?
having. I think it's a weird mix of some gastro disease with some sleep apnea, with some severe anxiety, but a lot of happiness, excitement. I don't know what I'm having. Something is happening.
It's good to be busy.
Yeah.
It's good to be busy. This is a good problem to have. Jani says things like sleep apnea and gastro troubles, but I'm really happy also in life. Like you bring it back.
I'm to a positive note.
To a positive
Yeah.
note of gratitude. Well, thank you so much, team, and good luck tomorrow. And I'll
Thank
see
you so
guys
much, Sajal.
tomorrow at the reception.
I hope you get sleep for the reception.
We don't come to film festival to sleep. We'll sleep when the festival's over. Tonight we're gonna go watch Jafar Panay's film for the second time.
Oh, wow. Die My Love is playing? No.
No, Die My Love is not playing.
You saw it,
I'm gonna
Can?
say no. No, I haven't watched Die My Love.
What do you think?
I didn't watch it. But lots of other fantastic things are playing, so I'm gonna go watch one tonight.
That Margot Robbie film is playing? Sorry, we can have this conversation now.
It's like the publicist is standing behind the camera and he's like, तुम रुको, कूद खत्म कर लो पहले.
You You know the part where they said that Margot Robbie film is playing.
But you know which
That's
one?
when you know the interview's over. It's
But
like,
you know which one?
what? Wuthering Heights.
A big
No.
beautiful journey.
Yeah,
That's
Big
the-
Beautiful Johnny.
Big
That's
Beautiful
playing-
Journey is not here.
It's not
coming.
playing any festivals.
But somehow
it has
all of these
public
But it's
release.
releasing.
It's releasing in theaters.
It's coming out now. That's why.
all, but in Bombay, I don't know if it'll come.
It will come. It's a major.
Sony Film.
That's Pragya, their publicist, standing in the background. Anyway, thank you everybody. Thank you, and good luck.
Thank
And I'll see you
you.
guys at the shindig tomorrow.
Mhm.
Before your
See you.
See you.
Bye.